Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineer Ash Ma'am. In this video, I am going to solve numerical based on bracket connection. Here is question. A 10 mm thick bracket plate is connected to the flange of column. And see, this one is flange of column. Flange of column and bracket plate is connected to the flange of column. ISHB 250. Column size is ISHB 250. Indian standard heavyweight beam 250. Weight is 54.7 kg per meter. Using 8 bolts of 20 mm dia. So you can see a total number of bolts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And diameter is 20 mm. Pitch of bolt is 50 mm and end distance is 35 mm. Pitch distance, center to center distance between two bolts means this distance is 60. Here is 60, 60. And end distance 35 mm, 35 mm. Pitch equal to 60 mm given. End distance is 35 mm is given. Find the safe load P. You have to find safe load P. This is pitch, small p, and safe load. This is pitch. Safe load P will be question mark. Eccentricity equal to 200 mm. 200 mm from centroidal axis to load. This is eccentricity. E. Diameter of bolt D equal to 20 mm and numbers equal to 8. Therefore, the diameter of hole will be diameter of hole is diameter plus clearance. 20 plus 2 equal to 22 mm. From table number 19. From table number 19, if nominal size of D is between 16 to 22 mm, then clearance will be 2. Okay, so D is given as 20 mm. Therefore, clearance will be 2. Clearance equal to 2. Therefore, diameter of hole equal to 20 plus 2 equal to 22 mm. Next, grade is 4.6 given. Grade equal to 4.6 given. Grade 4.6. That means ultimate strength of bolt equal to 4 into 100, 400 MPa. Okay. Let's solve question now. What is given? One column. One bracket. Load here. P, which is unknown. Number of folds 8. 4 plus 4, 8. And here distance is 35. In distance 35 and teach 60, 60, 60. And eccentricity C equal to EC equal to or E0 equal to 200 mm. First step is strength of bolt. Strength of bolt, VD. Strength of bolt is depend upon two criteria. One is shear strength of bolt. Shear strength of bolt. IS code page number 75 clause 10.3.3. Formula is PDSB equal to FU bolt upon root 3 gamma MB NN SB A and B plus NS ASB, where this term is 0. VDSB equal to FUB, ultimate strength of bolt is 400 root 3 into gamma MB is 1.25 into NN number of cuts 1 single shear between bracket and flange of column, between bracket and flange of column. Only one failure can possible, shear failure can possible. Therefore, NN equal to 1 into 0.78 into pi by 4 d square, where diameter is 20 square. VDSB equal to, answer is 45.27 kilonewton. Next, second is bearing strength. Bearing strength. Again, as per page number 75, clause number 10.3.4. You can see here. Clause 10.3.3, shear capacity of bolt, VDSB equal to VNSB upon gamma MP, where VNSB is nothing but FU upon root 3 NN ANB plus NSSB, where NN is number of cut, ANB is net area of bolt, NSB shank area of bolt, NS is number of cuts in shank. Okay. NN is number of shear planes with threads intercepting the shear plane, and NS is number of shear planes without thread intercepting the shear plane. ASB is nominal plane shank area of the bolt, and ANB net shear area of the bolt at the thread may be taken as area corresponding to the root diameter at the thread. And second one is bearing capacity of the bolt, VD PB equal to VNPB upon gamma MB, where VNPB is 2.5 kb dt FU, and kb depends upon this four criteria: E upon 3d0 minus P upon 3d0 minus 0.25 FUB upon FU and 1. Find VD PB 2.5 kb dt FU plate upon root 3 gamma MB. First, kb. kb is smaller of four criteria. kb is smaller of four criteria. Number 1, E upon 3d0, where E is 35 given in question. 3 into diameter of 4 is 22. It is equal to 0.53. Second criteria, P upon 3d0 minus 0.25, where P is pitch not load. 60 upon 3 into 22 minus 0.25, which is equal to 0.66. Next is third one is kb equal to FUB upon FUP. Ultimate strength of bolt is 400 and ultimate strength of plate is 410, which is equal to 0.975, and fourth criteria is 1. Therefore, minimum value is 0.53. Adopt KB equal to 0.53. Next is thickness. Thickness T. As we know that one is column flange is here. This one is column flange. And bracket is connected to column flange here. It means this bracket, if it is plate number 1, plate 1, and flange of column is plate 2. Plate 2. Then this plate 1 and plate 2, or this flange of column and a bracket plate act as a lap joint. Individual plates and lap joint. Therefore, thickness will be minimum of this bracket plate, and thickness of flange of column. Thickness of flange of column. We know the thickness of bracket is 10 mm. Given in question. Next is thickness of flange. Thickness of flange is question mark. Size of column is, section of column is ISHB 250. Is given column ISHB 250. Go to scale table. ISHB 250. Here. ISHB 250. There are total 2 ISHB 250. Weight is given 54.7. It means second one is given. ISHB 250, which weight is 54.7 kg per meter. This line, pink line. Okay. And thickness of flange. Thickness of flange. It means this one. Value is here 9.7, 9.7, 9.7, 9.7. Therefore, thickness T will be minimum of bracket plate thickness, which is equal to 10 mm given in question, and thickness of flange of column is 9.7 mm. Which one is minimum? Adopt T equal to 9.7 mm. Weaker plate. It means this flange of column is weaker than this bolted bracket connection. Okay. So adopt T equal to 9.7. Now let's put all values in given equation. That is this equation. VDPP equal to 2.5 kb DTFU plate upon gamma MB, where 2.5 kb is minimum, is kb 0.53, 0.53 into D. Diameter is 20. Minimum thickness is T, very important term, 9.7. Ultimate strength of a plate is 410 upon 1.25, which is equal to, is near about 83 kilonewton VDPB. Therefore, minimum value is 84.3 kilonewton. Therefore, adopt minimum bolt value or strength of bolt is minimum of VDSB and VDPB. It is sharing and bearing. You know that VDSB is 45.27 kilonewton and VDPB is 84.3 kilonewton. Therefore, adopt bolt value VD or bolt value equal to 45.27 kilonewton. Next step is direct force. Direct force. Let P be the factor load. Let Q be the factor load. Direct force. Direct force F1 equal to Pu upon number of poles. You know that load is Pu, which is unknown, and in number of volts are 8. Okay, which is equal to F1 equal to Pu upon 8. First relation. Because Pu is unknown and F also unknown. Next step is the force in volt due to torque. The force in volt due to torque. The formula is Ft equal to P E naught Rn upon summation of R square, where Rn is nothing but, you know that there are total 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 number of bars are there or bolts are there. Distance between two bolts 60, 60, 60. Okay, and centroid is here, half. This one is CG. Farthest point is this one. If it is A, then critical point will be A. This distance is nothing but Rn. So consider one triangle here. This triangle, consider this triangle. This side is 60 by 3 is 30. This side is 30, 60. This one is unknown. And this side is 140. 140 total. Therefore, half will be 70. Therefore, triangle is like this. Theta 70 Rn, and this value is not known. 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay, 60 plus 30 is 90. Now find Rn with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, Rn equal to root of 90 square plus 70 square. You will get the value of Rn. Rn equal to 114.02 mm. Okay. Next is summation of R. Summation of R equal to, you know that there are total 8 number of poles. CG will be at center due to symmetry. This will be CG, this will be CG. Okay. Rn is distance from here, center to first is R. or second is here is R. For considering first triangle, that is this triangle is one triangle. Okay, so formula becomes, if you are considering this triangle, this distance is 70, this is 90, Rn, this value is Rn. The R square equal to, we know that R equal to root of this both sides, 70 square plus 90 square. Therefore, R square will be just 70 square plus 50 square. It means you have to remove this square root. Okay, summation of R will be these 4 bars are at same distance from center, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 bars. Therefore, 4 bars are same. Put in the same category. 4 into here 70 square plus 90 square plus these 4 bars 1, 2, 3, 4 at same distance, 4 bars. And distance is from here to here is 30 and here is 70. So 70 square plus 30 square. Summation of R equal to 75.2 into 10 raised to 3 mm square. Therefore, F2 equal to PU into F equal to PU E naught Rn upon summation of R square, where P is unknown, E naught eccentricity 2, 200, Rn is 114.02, and summation of R square is 75.2 into 10 raised to 3, which is equal to 0.3 PU F2. And here is F1 is PU upon 8 in terms of PU. Both values are in terms of PU. Next is resultant force. Resultant force R equal to root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta, where this is theta, where theta cos theta equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 70, hypotenuse is Rn, where Rn is 114.02. 114.02. Therefore, theta cos theta equal to 0.61 equal to root of PU upon 8 bracket square plus F2 0.3 F PU square plus 2 into PU upon 8 into 0.3 PU into cos theta is 0.61. Equate R to the strength of volt. Equate R to strength of volt. Therefore, R equal to root of F1 upon 8 square plus 0.3 F1 square plus 2 F1 upon 8 into 0.3 F1 into 0.61. After After solving, we'll get the value of Q. Can write it in terms of Q. 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 We get the value of Q. Q equal to 116.35 kilonewton. Therefore, working load P equal to PU upon factor of safety. You know that PU is 116.35 upon factor of safety is 1.5. Therefore, P equal to 77.571 kilonewton. I have seen total two different numericals, bracket numericals. First is voltage bracket connections. Type 1, type 4. In type 1 type of questions, number of poles are given. Okay, but you have to find P. Here, P is given to find number of poles. Two steps are common to almost all types of numerical here in DDSS. First is to find volt value. Okay, so minimum of VDSP and VDPB. Volt value. Clear again? Volt value formula is same VDSP and VDPB. VDSP and VDPB. Next, here in type 1, if P is unknown and N is given, then equate R equal to root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. Here, in this type of questions, R reaction will be less than force for safety. Thank you for watching. To like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah.